Hi friends, today I am with the Nokia C21 Plus, and in this video we are going to talk about the box content, some of the features, and should you buy this phone or not. Now talking about the device, it comes with a very huge display which is 6.5-inch HD Plus display. It also has a 3.5 mm port on the top for putting your headphones. In the bottom you are getting a noise cancellation mic, micro USB charging port, and it comes with a very huge battery which is a 5050 mAh battery. If you talk about the SIM slot, it comes with a dual SIM with expandable memory storage. The expandable memory can be up to 256 GB, and here you can see the power buttons, the volume rocker keys. On the back side you can see the fingerprint sensor and also the dual camera setup with LED flash, and there is also speakers at the back end. Now coming to the specification, it comes with the 6.5-inch SD Plus display with 1600 into 720p pixels. It has a 4 GB RAM, 64 GB storage model, which variant we got. It comes with the Android 11 Go edition. It has a 13 plus 2 megapixel back camera setup. In the front, it has a 5 megapixel camera. So this is what you are getting. If you talk about the other variant, it will be coming with the 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of internal storage. The model what we got was 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. Talk about the box content, we are getting the charger inside the box. There is no back cover, there is no screen guard coming with the box, and if you see here, the charging adapter is 10-watt charging adapter, and we are also getting a SIM card ejector tool. So this is what we are getting inside the box. There is no earphone or headphones in the box also. If we talk about the device color, it will be coming in two colors, dark sand and warm grey. What we got is the dark sand, and there is also a warm grey color. If we talk about the Android version, it is running on Android 11 Go edition. Here you can see there is the dark mode option, so you can switch to the dark mode directly. I do prefer dark mode over the normal theme. And if you talk about the more things, it doesn't have any refresh rate option, so you are stuck with 60 Hz refresh rate. If you talk about the system, it is running on Android 11 Go edition. So this is a lighter version of edition. Here you can see it was last updated in June, and currently when I shot the video it was July. So you are getting the update, and you will definitely get the 2 years of security updates from the company. So that is definitely a good thing. If you go to the Android version, here you can see it is running on Android 11. There is no word or update on when you will get the Android 12, but most probably Nokia will push the Android 12 very soon. So if you go and see, here is the fingerprint and the face unlock. I have already done the setup. I will show you how fast it is. So currently if you see, the fingerprint sensor works very smoothly, and it is quick and fast enough to unlock the smartphone. Now the face unlock is little bit slower. Here you can see the face unlock. It needs a proper amount of light to unlock the device, but overall the experience is good enough. You are getting the face unlock and fingerprint sensor. Now coming to the other parts, talking about the storage, it comes with the 64 GB internal storage and 4 GB of RAM. The other model, I have already told you, it will be 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage. If you talk about some gesture features, it definitely offers you some. It includes the swipe fingerprint of the notification, which is definitely useful, and I will show you how. So you can see from the back, I am just scrolling down, and the notification center comes down. So this is very quick and a easy method. And also there is some more gesture feature, including the switch to camera option, which if you tap the power button twice, it will switch to the camera directly, which is the easy function and triggers the camera easily. It can be changed into the rear camera or the front camera. Currently, as you can see, I have switched from the front to the rear camera. Now the rear camera will open by default. The other features, other gestures what you are getting is from prevent ringing. You can move into the vibrate or the mute if you want. There is also system navigation if you want a gesture feature, or you want a 3-button navigation. So here you can see the 3 buttons are at the bottom, but I definitely don't like the 3 buttons and want to explore more of the device. And if you talk about the feature, like it also has a mute on pickup. It also gives you turn to reject the call. You can also do the power off. So these are the features what you are getting in the gesture. Now coming to the OS, it is clean OS. You are not getting any bloatware. Now I have installed few of the apps to try and test it. If you talk about the network connectivity, it supports 4G, but something strange I have found. In my home there is a FiberNet setup, and it gives 5 gigahertz and 2.4 gigahertz both, but strangely the 5 gigahertz network can't be found in the Nokia C21 Plus. Here is another Android phone, and here you can see we are getting the 5G connection, the same connection with the same distance, but the 5 gigahertz connection is not available in Nokia C21 Plus. So you guys may also see this on your smartphone, and if you are getting the connection, definitely comment in the section below, and we will definitely love to see your comments regarding this. So, but overall experience, if you ask me, that it comes with the Google Go edition, so everything is a lighter version, especially the Google apps. Even the Facebook Lite was installed, pre-installed with the device, which I uninstalled later on. You are getting some of the Geo offers in the smartphone, and I definitely recommend you not to uninstall this app, because if you are a Geo customer, you might get some vouchers, some benefits, and I will definitely recommend you to check it out with your Geo store, or maybe from the Nokia's official website. Now coming to the gaming section, you can't expect a high-end graphics game. Currently this is we are playing Temple Run. I tried Call of Duty and BGMI before BGMI was available in India, but currently BGMI is also not available in India, but you can't install heavy games due to the shortage in the storage. So you have very less memory. It comes with the 64 GB of memory, and you can't install those games. And if you want to play lighter games like Subway Surfer, Temple Run, or car racing, these games can be easily played. And if you want to watch content, video content consumption, then it is also good, because the resolution is quite high. It comes with the 1600 into 720p pixels. The processor what we are getting is a 1.6 GHz octa-core processor. It is by Unisoc. Model name is SC9863A. Talking about the camera, it comes with a 13 megapixel primary sensor at the back, 2 megapixel depth camera at the back. In the front you are getting a 5 megapixel camera. If we go to the settings and check the settings, it has a normal settings what we usually get, including the shutter sound, the grid, the location tag. Even the data storage can be preferred and changed with expandable memory with that. And talking about the HDR, it comes with the HDR. You can turn on automatically, or you can always on. And there is a smile detection. If you talk about the video resolution, the front camera and the rear camera both offers full HD 1080p and 720p. The camera, if you take in the good sunlight, the pictures come out good, and it is an average camera, it is not too good. Now talking about the weight of the device, it weighs around 191 grams, which is not too much heavy, and it is definitely a wider device. If we talk about the price point, it will be available in two prices. The 3GB 32GB is available for 10,299, and the 4GB 64GB variant is available for 11,299. It will be going on sale through the e-commerce platform and the Nokia's official website. So this is all about the Nokia C21 Plus. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.